Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kashil K. Sharma. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, guys. So today we are unboxing a new toy again. So which toy we are unboxing? Drum roll, please. It's a Play-Doh box. Wow, it has so many colors. Let's open this, guys. Whoa. This just fell out of there. So what is this? Let's see. This is a radish. And what's this now? Oh, this is a pear. Wow. They have Play-Doh colors. So guys, I'm going to open yellow color. So guys, I opened yellow color and here it is. Let me move it. Wow. The color is very nice. Let me tap this and we will make the shape. Which shape should we make, guys? Let's make this one, a radish. Let's press, 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 press. Wow, this is so nice. Let me move this. So guys, I'll show you how many colors are there. This is pink, orange, purple, dark green and light green, white, black, dark blue. I think this is light blue and this is dark blue and this is neon orange. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Okay guys, bye guys.